So Rivers RPG Channel sent me a package in the mail today, and I thought, let's open it together and see what's inside. I'm John, and you're watching Dragons and Flagons. So my normal setup due to the holidays is kind of messed up, so we're going to have to deal with just looking at my tabletop here. So here's the package that I received. I did get a note that I'm going to read in 1 second, but I thought, let's just open this up and be surprised. I just actually opened the email as well, so I'm not cheating here. And Rivers, if you're watching, I definitely didn't cheat. I saved this until I started recording. And while I open this up, I as well, I'll drop things on the floor at the same time. While I open this up, might as well just read the email to you all. Dear Dragons and Flagons, these are custom dice from ChessX that my home gaming group has made every year. We call ourselves the Oakfist Clan. Thanks, Oakfist Clan. We hand these dice out to GMs at conventions we go to when we enjoy their games. I also mail them to fellow YouTube channels that I like. Please accept these dice from me. Thanks, Rivers. So thank you, Rivers. And here is the set of... Oh, come on, focus. There we go. This is the set of dice. This is awesome. Seriously, Rivers, thank you so much. Let me hold these things out. Put the mail to the side. And we're going to give these things a quick roll. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Not the greatest roll right out of the gate, but they're new dice. They're going to have to get trained. Let's take a look at them really quick. I've got this black one just jumps out at me right out of the gate. Beautiful marbling. And right there it says, let's see if we can get this in focus. Maybe. What if I use this? I need a better case or a better camera. Oakfist 2023. This is really cool. This is really special. Thank you so much, Rivers. This is awesome. Oh, this one you can read really well. Look at that. Oh, this 2021. Oh, they got different dates on them too. This is so cool. 2024, 2022, and 2020. So, wow, 20, 21, 22, 23, and 24. All on the sixes. All right, one more roll, and then we'll call this a day. Much better. 59322. Awesome. Well, go check out Rivers RPG Channel. It's amazing. So this was a really unexpected and cool gift that I received from Rivers. And again, let me see if I can show these one more time. They're all incredibly beautiful. These are just some fantastic dice, and I truly, truly appreciate it. Thank you very much, Rivers.